Hey guys, what's up? Russian Nihilist here. Now, if you guys don't know, there is a website called proofthatgodexists.org. Um, this is definitely one of the most flawed websites that I have ever encountered. That is in an attempt to prove the existence of God, or at least the Judeo-Christian God. Now, on the front page of the website, it says, "What do you believe?" And there are four choices. That I personally, I think that's the first flaw, that they give you four choices that you think to choose from, and sometimes in this on this website, one of the options that they give you isn't really an option for you. So on the on this front page, it says, "What do you believe? Absolute, absolute truth exists. Absolute truth does not exist. I don't know if absolute truth exists. I don't care if absolute truth exists." That's the first thing it tells you. Okay, that's the first thing it asks you. And at the bottom, it says absolute truth means true for all people at all times, universally true. That is what it says. I assume they're thinking of God when they say absolute truth, but there are some things that are absolutely true for everyone. So I'm just going to go ahead and click absolute truth exists. There is such a thing. Um, then there's this little introduction, and I'm going to click go to step one. Asking step one, laws of logic. Do the laws of logic exist? And right here it mentions that one of the laws of logic is the law of non-contradiction. And I completely agree with that. So I'm going to click laws of logic exist. Step two, laws of mathematics. There is a bit of a flaw here. They are forgetting that mathematics, at least our mathematics, is a flawed thing. It was created by humans to try to describe what we perceive. It's not necessarily perfect. But just for the sake of the argument, I'm going to click laws of mathematics exist. Step 3, laws of science. This mentions gravity, and this website says that using the law of gravity, we can predict how fast a heavier than air object will fall to the ground given all the factors for the equation. Okay, that's not always true. You have atoms and everything below that, because everything, pretty much all of our laws of physics are false. But this isn't talking about physics, this is just talking about science in general. And yes, they do exist, these laws of science. The laws of science exist. Now here is step 4. Absolute moral laws. At the bottom they say rape and child molestation are two examples of absolute moral wrongs. They're just giving those as examples. To me, I personally wouldn't rape or molest a child. And personally, this is my subjective opinion, it's wrong. That's my subjective opinion. There is no objective opinion of morality. That is what I believe. For me, it's wrong, but for another person, it might be right. Which one of us is objectively right? So I'm going to put absolute moral laws do not exist. And then say, seriously, what do you believe? And then it says, okay, it says molesting children for fun is absolutely morally wrong, which is basically getting a step backwards. Then it says molesting children for fun could be right. As I stated, it's a subjective thing. For a person that does molest children, it could be right. This is the flaw thing. For them, it's right. This is the flaw that they have. They're putting an absolute objective thing on this that came about by subjective things. So I'm like guess I'm gonna click molesting children for fun could be right. I really hope people don't hate me for that. And then this asks me all this stuff. Actually, no, it says right here, if you truly believe that there was no such thing as absolute moral laws, then there would be no right or wrong, just things that you or your society happen to like. Yes! Thank you! That is exactly it. We have noticed as a society that, okay, people aren't liking this. Maybe we should consider it wrong. So then it's wrong. The society has accepted it as wrong. That is how morality works. So and then it says, if I'm seeking truth, I have to go back. And it has explained absolutely nothing. They are retarded. That's it. I'm clicking exit. Thanks for visiting. Exit. Then it takes you to the Disney Channel.
Hi, I'm Courtney Watkins from the Possibility Shop.
Yeah, it's the Disney Channel. But anyway, that's a bad website. And if anyone out there thinks that that is a logically just pure amazing website, they're retarded. I point out the flaws in that website. I will post the link in the side. So this is the Russian Nihilist. See ya.